Good morning. Today I am going to present a new video on Streptococcus pyogenes. Streptococcus pyogenes, a bacteria which produce different types of abnormalities or disease condition inside human body. It is also known as group A Streptococci from Hemophanon group. Habit of this bacteria is this is pathogenic to man and lives normally in the mucosa of the nasal cavity, nasopharynx, throat, joints, etc. Morphology of this bacteria, this is gram positive cocci. Diameter is 0.5 to 0.7 mu. Arrangement of this bacteria is in chain, and a chain is made up of up to 8 to 9 cocci. The length of the chain depends on the medium on which the organism has grown. This is the appearance of this bacteria in chain. Cultural character. Cultural character, Streptococcus pyogenes are aerobic or facultative anaerobes. They grow in the optimum temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, but in between 22 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Optimum pH is 7.6. It can be grown in the following media such as fluid media, blood agar media, but very poor growth through simple nutrient media. Biochemical reaction. Streptococcus pyogenes ferment lactase, glucose, silicon, etc. Resistant streptococci can survive for weeks and months in dust and on linen if protected from direct sunlight. Like staphylococci, streptococci pyogenes are very much sensitive to antiseptic dyes, that is acriflavine and brilliant green. It is more resistant to crystal violet. Toxin produced by this bacteria. A number of toxic substances which are related to invasiveness and toxicity of the organism. Hemolysin. There are filtrable toxin substances. There are two types of hemolysin known as streptolysin O and streptolysin S are produced. Streptolysin O is toxic to heart. ASO titer, that is anti-streptolysin O titer. Streptolysin S is oxygen stable but is very sensitive to heat and acids. Leucocidin. It has a destructive action upon polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Leukotoxin. It provides injury to the WBC. Erythrogenic toxin. It is filterable and heat-stable toxin. It produces erythema in susceptible person when given in smaller quantities, and it produces generalized rash, fever, malaise. This is associated with scarlet fever. Dermatotoxin. it may cause skin nodules, but it is not infective to man. Deoxyribonuclease. This is an enzyme produced by all the strain of Streptococcus pyogenes. 4 antigenetically distinct types known as A, B, C, D have been described. Generally, type A is most effective to man. This enzyme is responsible for serious character of Streptococci pus. The deoxyribonucleases are produced by in the early phase of growth and together with hyaluronidase may contribute to a spreading nature of Streptococci infection. So this is the toxic effect of Streptococcus pyogenes. Diseases caused in man by streptopyogenes. The diseases produced by Streptococcus pyogenes are classified for a better dealing into 3 varieties such as focal lesion, invasive lesion, and hypersensitive lesion. Focal lesions, it produces the focal complaint in the focal lesion. Septic tonsillitis, peritonsillar abscess, Ludwig's angina, pharyngitis, retropharyngeal and pharyngeal abscess, infection in wounds, burns, lymphadenitis, the widespread septicemia. It produces in the skin during the focal lesion impetigo contagiosa, particularity in the young children. Invasive lesion. Erysipelas, it is a spreading streptococcal inflammation. It is mostly seen on face, scalp and around wounds etc. There is congestion, edema, polymorphs are deficient and no pus formation occurs. Bronchopneumonia, puerperal sepsis, thrombophlebitis, scarlet fever, streptococcal septicemia and bacteremia, acute ulcerative endocarditis. Hypersensitive lesion. Streptococcus pyogenes is also associated with non-suppurative hypersensitive states which develops as a result of suppression after sore throat, acute rheumatic fever, acute glomerulonephritis. Laboratory diagnosis. It purely depends upon the nature of infection. Even then, the following are generalized. Leukocytosis, WBC and differential count shows increased polymorph nuclear cells, ESR raised in rheumatic fever, and it shows the chronicity of the disease. Streptococcus pyogenes are isolated from the smear of pus. From the infected organism, smears shows gram-positive cocci in chain. Culture examination shows streptopyogenes growing on blood agar media. Dick test of skin is performed to know the susceptibility of the patient to a scarlet fever. A charts for diagnostic criteria and management. Findings points: temperature, absence of cough, swollen tender anterior cervical lymph nodes, tonsillar swelling or exudate age. These are the different data for the diagnostic and management criteria. Streptococcus pyogenes, treatment and chemoprophylaxis. Penicillin is the drug of choice for treatment of streptococcal diseases. long-acting penicillins, erythromycin, macrolide. Along with, in homeopathy, streptococcinum is also available in 200 1m 10m potency. It prescribed as intercurrent along with constitutional medicine like Nux vomica, Netramur, Pulsatilla, Lycopodium, etc. In diabetic cases, if blood sugar level beyond 200, then it requires insulin supplementation along with diet management. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.